Hello, and welcome to this video all about Porsche. Everyone knows, Porsche cars are super cool. They're famous because they're really fast, look amazing, and are built with bleeding-edge technology. Porsche has been around since 1931 and has made some of the world's most famous sports cars. They're always working on new stuff, like the Porsche 918 Spider, which was the first ever hybrid supercar you could buy. Plus, Porsche has a long history of winning races, like the 24 Hours in Le Mans. From the classic Porsche 911 to the modern Porsche Taycan electric car, they're always trying new things and making awesome cars that people love. Ferdinand Porsche was the founder of the legendary Porsche company. Born in Austria-Hungary way back in 1875, Porsche was always obsessed with making things go fast. He started out as an apprentice in a factory, but quickly realized he had a natural talent for engineering and design. And before you know it, he was creating some of the most iconic cars of the 20th century, like the Volkswagen Beetle and the Porsche 911. Even though he faced a ton of challenges throughout his life, he never gave up on his passion for engineering, and he designed some of the most famous cars in the world. Ferdinand Porsche, as mentioned earlier, was the founder of Porsche and was responsible for some of the most iconic cars of all time. Before founding Porsche, Ferdinand Porsche worked for several different automotive companies, including Daimler-Benz and Austro-Daimler. He was instrumental in the development of some of their most important cars, including the Mercedes-Benz SSK and the Austro-Daimler Sascha. After founding Porsche, Ferdinand Porsche continued to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive engineering. He was responsible for the design of several iconic cars, including the Volkswagen Beetle, which was one of the most popular cars of all time. Porsche has a hidden dark secret. During World War II, Ferdinand Porsche was involved in several projects for the Nazi government, including designing tanks and military vehicles. He was a member of the Nazi Party and received several awards for his contributions to the war effort. After the war, Ferdinand Porsche was arrested by the French and held in prison for over 2 years. He was eventually released and returned to Austria, where he continued to work on automotive engineering projects until his death in 1951. The first Porsche car was the Porsche 356, which was introduced in 1948. The car was designed and built by Ferdinand Porsche's son, Ferry Porsche, and was based on the Volkswagen Beetle. The 356 was a huge success and helped establish Porsche as a major player in the automotive industry. In the following years, Porsche continued to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive engineering. In 1963, the iconic Porsche 911 was introduced, which became one of the most recognizable sports cars in the world. The 911 was designed by Ferdinand Alexander Porsche, the grandson of Ferdinand Porsche. The Porsche 911 is one of the most iconic sports cars ever made. First introduced in 1963, this two-door coupe has become synonymous with speed, luxury, and style. The 911's design has remained largely unchanged over the years, with its distinctive sloping roofline and rear-mounted engine becoming instantly recognizable to car enthusiasts around the world. But don't let its classic looks fool you. The 911 is still one of the fastest cars on the road, capable of reaching speed of up to 190 miles per hour. With its impressive handling and precise steering, the 911 is also a joy to drive, whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the racetrack. It's no wonder how the Porsche 911 has become a cultural icon, inspiring countless imitations and winning the hearts of car enthusiasts for generations. The first Porsche 911 cars sold for $6,500. Today, the price of a Porsche 911 is over $200,000, while vintage and classic 911s can sell for hundreds of thousands or even millions, depending on their rarity and condition. Here are 10 famous people who own a Porsche 911. Jay Leno, comedian and TV host. Jerry Seinfeld, comedian and actor. Patrick Dempsey, actor and race car driver. Steve McQueen, actor and racing legend, who owned a 1968 Porsche 911S. Cristiano Ronaldo, soccer player. Adam Levine, musician. Gordon Ramsay, chef and TV personality. Will Smith, actor, rapper, and Will Smith. Matt Damon, actor. And Arnold Schwarzenegger, actor and former governor of California. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Porsche continued to produce some of the most iconic sports cars of all time. The Porsche 928, 944, and 959 were all introduced during this period, and were all groundbreaking in their own right. The 959 in particular was a technological masterpiece and helped establish Porsche as a leader in automotive engineering. In the 1990s, Porsche continued to innovate with the introduction of the Porsche Boxster. The Porsche Boxster is a two-seater sports car that was first introduced in 1996. Since then, it has become one of Porsche's most popular models, thanks to its sleek design, excellent handling, and impressive performance. The Boxster features a mid-engine layout, which helps distribute weight evenly and provide a low center of gravity for better handling. It also comes with a range of powerful engines, including the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which can produce up to 300 horsepower. With a top speed of just over 170 miles per hour and the ability to go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, the Boxster is a true thrill to drive. And with its sleek, aerodynamic styling and luxurious interior, it is always a joy to look and sit in. Overall, the Porsche Boxster is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to drive a fun, sporty car that doesn't sacrifice style or comfort. The Boxster was a huge success and helped establish Porsche as a leader in the luxury sports car market. Today, you can buy a Porsche Boxster for around $70,000, depending on your customization. Today, Porsche continues to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive engineering with cars like the Porsche Taycan, which is an all-electric sports car that offers unparalleled performance and technology. Regarding the legacy of Porsche today, Porsche is one of the most recognizable and respected brands in the automotive industry. The company's commitment to innovation and excellence has helped establish it as a leader in luxury sports cars. Thanks for tuning into our video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Porsche and their iconic cars. If you want to stay up to date on our latest content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. And if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling us which Porsche model is your favorite. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us create even better content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.